Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our 7-inch, 175mm Cyclone concrete wheel. Great for breaking into ultra-hard concrete, and also really great for removing softer build-up coatings like glues and paints. Has a really subtle scratch pattern, has a great wear rate. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have split PCD coating removal tool. Now this is crushed PCD in a segment with some diamonds as well. It's great for removing like failed concrete or let's say underlayment or a light build-up coating, glues, etc. Has a great wear rate. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our 16-inch, 400mm 3M 100 grit sanding screens. This is great for removing any type of coating surface imperfection before applying your top coat. It has a great scratch pattern, great wear. It's top quality. It's 3M. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Today we have a 3-inch, 76mm 5-seg grinding disc on sale. This is a 16 grit. It's a true 16. It has a heavy concentration, rounded edges, so it doesn't have any surprise gouges in the floor. It has a great wear, wet and dry. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have magnetic adapters with the dovetail. This is a fast way of changing diamonds for machines like the Husqvarna, whomever has drive plates to take those style of diamonds. End of year, you're not married to a proprietary system. You're going to save a lot of money changing the tools in your toolbox. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have the premium single button 40 grit mediums with the tapered edges. This is great for machines like Lavina's or anybody who has a drive place that takes that style of diamond. It's considered premium because it has a lot more diamond and a higher quality. It lasts long, grinds faster. Message me now.